drivers may be experiencing car issues. Be alert for potential hazards on the road. Possible need for a breakdown lane stop ahead. Luckily, the driver was okay. Vehicle reported to have a flat tire. Watch for debris on the road from potential tire damage. Thanks for watching. Now let's move on to the next traffic situation. Danger. Vehicle reported running a red light. A truck approaches a barrier blocking its path onto the road. The driver appears determined to reach the finish line faster. A large truck traveling in the right lane with its left turn signal activated. Behind the truck, a car is following impatiently, much closer than is safe. The car driver swerves into the left lane to overtake the truck, not noticing the turn signal. A dump truck traveling in one of the lanes and it appears to lose control, wobbling slightly. The truck tilts sharply to one side, with its cargo of dirt shifting dramatically. The dump truck flips onto its side. The car comes to a complete stop in the lane of traffic, creating a dangerous obstacle. Other vehicles swerve to avoid the stopped car, narrowly avoiding an accident. At Chafford W&T's Wood, a car approaches the intersection, seemingly intending to turn right. Running a red light is a serious traffic violation that can lead to accidents. But what's the appropriate penalty? A rollover collision involving a dump truck and two other vehicles is causing significant traffic delays at the junction of Jog Road and Beeline Highway. A railroad crossing with flashing lights and crossing gates coming down. A truck with cargo is seen stopped on the tracks, seemingly stuck. The train hitting the truck. Luckily, everyone was alive. The white car in the right turn lane just made an illegal maneuver, causing a traffic violation. It seems they are attracted to the attention of the police officer right behind them. This violation could have resulted in a collision with oncoming traffic or pedestrians crossing the street. Suddenly, a loud pop echoes through the vehicle. The car lurches, swerving slightly as if caught off guard by the unexpected disruption. Timber truck may have failed to see the car, so the timber truck turned right suddenly. This could have resulted in a collision. Thankfully, no one was harmed. A GMC Savannah traveling in the bike lane made a left turn without checking its blind spot and collided with a car on the side. This maneuver put the car driver at significant risk of injury. A vehicle collision involving a car and a Long Beach Transit bus resulted in significant damage to a restaurant in Long Beach. Disregarding traffic signals or attempting risky maneuvers can lead to serious collisions. Please obey traffic laws, be predictable in your actions, and allow ample space for other vehicles and pedestrians. Driving in the opposite direction is a serious safety hazard that can cause head-on collisions and put yourself and others at risk. A police pursuit involving a green car resulted in a collision with another vehicle. While the green car returned to the scene, a cement truck driver swerved to avoid a motorcyclist, causing the cement tank to detach and crash onto the curb. This incident highlights the importance of awareness for all drivers on the road. Staying in your designated lane is crucial for safe driving on highways. Frequent lane changes and weaving through traffic can create confusion and increase the risk of accidents. This incident serves as a reminder about blind spots. Even experienced drivers can miss vehicles in their blind spots. A significant accident involving these vehicles has caused major traffic disruptions. Reports indicate that one car in the center of the pileup sustained more severe damage due to repeated impacts from both the front and rear. Losing control of your vehicle's speed can be a frightening experience and put yourself and others at risk. This incident highlights the importance of focused driving. Stopping your vehicle unexpectedly. A truck traveling on the inside lane lost traction and possibly spun out of control. Speeding, especially on curves or in wet conditions, can significantly increase the risk of losing control of your vehicle. A near miss occurred when a garbage truck merged into the lane of another vehicle, forcing them towards the center barrier. This incident highlights the importance of safe lane changes. A BMW became stranded in Oakland after what appears to be driving through floodwaters. A vehicle came to a sudden stop, luckily avoiding a collision with a speeding truck. While the cause of the near miss is unknown, this incident highlights the importance of maintaining a safe following distance. This could be a sign of a mechanical issue such as an overheating engine or an electrical problem. A silver Accord is passing a black CRZ on the highway. Blessedly, no one hurt it. A collision between a transit bus and a semi-truck has occurred near the Eden Canyon exit in Castro Valley. An avalanche struck Berthoud Pass in Colorado during a winter storm, burying 10 cars. Fortunately, there are no reports of injuries. Emergency crews are on the scene to assess the situation and remove the vehicles. This incident highlights the importance of maintaining a safe following distance. Suddenly stopping because of unexpected traffic congestion can be dangerous. Here's a rewritten script that avoids negativity and focuses on this incident serves as a reminder of the importance of using turn signals. This dashcam footage captured a serious collision that occurred after a Nissan attempted a high-speed overtake of a truck. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of exceeding speed limits. Hitting the road for a long drive? A cup of coffee can definitely help you stay alert and focus behind the wheel. Just remember to pull over for brakes and avoid drowsiness. This incident highlights the importance of maintaining a safe following distance between road lanes. A FedEx truck from a non-priority road reportedly lost control due to possible brake failure. Could someone kindly assist me in reminding him that he's traveling in the wrong direction and exceeding the speed limit on this road? A bus in Hattieville, Belize, reportedly veered off the road fastly. Fortunately, there are no reports of injuries. This incident serves as a reminder of the dangers of tailgating. Following too closely limits your reaction time and increases the risk of a collision, especially during sudden stops or unexpected maneuvers. This incident highlights the importance of obeying all traffic signals, including stop signs. This incident appears to be a collision caused by unexpected steering. A recent accident involving a private ambulance and a truck occurred on Highway 50. This includes speed limits, following distances, and traffic signals. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of safe lane changes. It appears a lane change resulted in a collision. You will be very angry if you were a truck driver in this video. This incident reports a hit-and-run collision involving a black pickup truck and another car. This video highlights the importance of safe truck driving practices. especially on busy roads. Large vehicles require extra care and consideration due to their size and blind spots. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of distracted driving. Taking your eyes off the road for even a moment can have serious consequences.